Hi and welcome to ProxyBot. In this quick video, I would like to show you how you can do basic web scraping with absolutely no coding. As you will see from the following demo, it's pretty simple. The only thing you need to do is to send HTTP requests through ProxyBot API service and specify URL of your target website and CSS selectors of your desired HTML elements. Let's see basic example. If we go to documentation, then we'll find the web scraping section, which is basically showing how your post request should look like. You'll send requests to ProxyBot API. You need to specify URL of your target website, as well as you need to provide body for this request, which will contain CSS selectors and get property where you'll say what kind of value you want to get back. And as you can see, in response will contain data, which will be basically values extracted from these CSS elements. For the demo purposes, I'm going to use this website playground for web scraping, which contains information about different books. And what we'll try to get is to extract all links and images, titles, and prices for each book. What we need to do, we need to find CSS selectors for each concrete element like image, link, title, and price. If we go and inspect this element, we'll see that all information about one book will be stored inside article tag with the class product_pod, and inside this element we'll have link, we'll have image, there will be h3 holding title value as well as price. But let's start with a simple example and let's try to get all the titles. We'll go back to Postman, where I have already prepared example. So we need to send our request to ProxyBot API. We need to provide our target URL and we need to specify body with our selector. So it will be article with the class product_pod, which will target then h3, and we want to get back text value from this h3. So if we go back to book scraping website, we'll see that we're targeting this article with the class product_pod, and then we're targeting href, and we want to get back text value of this href, which is supposed to be title of this book. Let's go back to Postman and send this request and see what we're getting back. And as you can see, we're receiving array with all titles for all books on this page. Let's try to do something more interesting and get all the links back. So in order to get link values, we need to target a tag, and then link is stored inside href attribute. So we need to first target a and then need to specify that we want to get href attribute. Let's see how we can do that. I have already prepared this selector, so we just go back to Postman and we paste this selector. So as you can see, now we're targeting a tag. We're saying that we're interested in attribute and href attribute value. So if we'll send this request, and hopefully we'll see all the links for the books. Yes, and now we can see all the links that we found on this page. As you can see, it's pretty easy to do basic web scraping with the ProxyBot. Of course, there are more complex scenarios, but I'll cover them in other videos. Otherwise, if you found this video useful and interesting, please press like. If you want to see more videos about web scraping tools, hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, until next time, see you.